Hello, welcome friends. Today we'll learn present and affirmative in negative. So let's begin how to say in present. Boss Martin school thangba. Why does he go to school? Why does he go to school? Boss Martin school thangba. Why does not he go to school? Why does not he go to school? Nings Martin julingba. Why do you drink wine? Why do you drink wine? Ningna bani furiyaba. Why do not you study? Why do not you study? Bula bidehe puriba. How is he reading? How is he reading? Bula smartini furiyaba. Why is not he reading? Why is not he reading? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. And I hope that you like this video. Practice it, keep learning. And very soon you will learn